morning, my dear lovely children. Dear children, we are revising chapter number 5, the Democratic Republic of Congo. And today we are going to discuss about the life of the people in Democratic Republic of Congo. Dear children, Democratic Republic of Congo is sparsely populated. Sparsely means thinly populated, or you can say very few people used to live here due to hot and wet climate. This country is sparsely populated, or you can say thinly populated. More than 200 ethnic groups are living here. Ethnic means people who belong to different religions. More than 200 ethnic groups are living here. But the two main tribes which are found here are Bantu Negroes and Pygmies. The two main tribes are the Bantu Negroes and the Pygmies. Now, who are Bantu Negroes? Most of the people who are living in the Democratic Republic of Congo belongs to Bantu tribe, or you can say they are Bantu Negroes. Now, what type of people are Bantu Negroes? Bantu Negroes are those people who are very tall in height and they are very tough. Tough here means strong. They are very tall in height and they are very strong. They have dark complexion and curly hair. They have dark complexion and have curly hair. They used to speak Bantu language. There are so many languages which are being spoken here, but the main language that Bantu Negroes used to speak is the Bantu language. They used to live in small villages. They used to live in small villages and they used to wear light cotton clothes. Now, why they wear light cotton clothes? They wear light cotton clothes due to hot and wet type of climate. Now, as we know, this country lies in the equatorial region which receives direct rays of the sun. Due to this reason, they wear light cotton clothes. Now, some people who belong to Bantu Negroes, they have been shifted or they have been migrated. Migrated means shifted. Migrated means shifted. Now, some people who belong to Bantu Negroes or the Bantu tribe, they have been shifted to towns and cities to work in mines and factories. They have their own traditional way of living. They used to follow the old customs and traditions. But now some people have been shifted from villages to towns and cities to work in big mines and factories. And they have adopted the modern lifestyle also. Bantu Negroes is a tribe which is found in the Democratic Republic of Congo. They used to live in small villages and they used to follow the old customs and traditions. But now some people have been shifted to towns and cities to work in mines and big factories, and they have adopted modern lifestyle also. Now, the second tribe which is found here is Pygmies. Pygmies is the second tribe which is found here. Pygmies are the original inhabitants. They are the original inhabitants of the Democratic Republic of Congo. They are the original inhabitants of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Now, what do you mean by inhabitants? Inhabitants means permanent residents, or the people who used to live at a particular place from the very beginning. Right? So, Pygmies are the original inhabitants of the Democratic Republic of Congo. They are very short in height. They are very short in height and their average height is only 1.5 meter only. Their average height is only 1.5 meter. Right, students? And they too have a dark complexion. They too have dark complexion. They are very short in height. They have dark complexion. They used to live in dense forest. They used to live in dense forest and they used to follow or they used to lead a nomadic life. Now what type of life is nomadic life? Nomadic life is that life in which people don't have permanent houses. The people who don't have their permanent houses, they used to wander, or you can say they used to move from one place to another in search of food and food for themselves and their animals. Or you can say nomads are those people who used to wander or who used to move from one place to another in search of pasture land for their animals. Now what do you mean by pasture land? Pasture land means the land which is covered with green grass where the animals used to feed. Right? Now pasture land means the land which is covered with green grass where the animals used to feed or they used to eat that grass. Right? So the original inhabitants of the Democratic Republic of Congo are pygmies and they are very short in height. The average height is only 1.5 meter and they lead a nomadic life and they used to live in dense forest. Now they are excellent hunters. They are excellent hunters. They used to hunt the animal and they used to gather their food like this. They used to hunt the animals and they used to gather their food like this. They use sign language. They don't have any language which they speak, but they use sign language. And they are fond of eating bananas and honey. They are fond of eating bananas and honey. They are fond of eating bananas and they used to eat raw food only. They hardly cook their food. They rarely cook their food. They used to eat raw food and they are fond of bananas and honey. Music, dance and drum music are their favorite entertainment. So this is all about the life of the people in Democratic Republic of Congo.